In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of narrating a PowerPoint presentation and then saving it as a video. The first thing you need to do is either create a new presentation or open an existing presentation. You will then need to navigate to the Slideshow tab. When you are ready, you can click on the Record Slideshow button. This will open up a new record window. There are a number of things you should be aware of in this window. In the upper right corner, you have the clear link. This link allows you to delete the narration off the current slide or off the entire presentation. Also, you have a settings link. This link allows you to select your microphone and webcam. The webcam is an optional item. In the lower right-hand corner, you have 3 buttons to toggle on and off. The first one toggles on and off your microphone, which you want to make sure is on when you're recording your presentation. The second one is for your webcam. And finally, there is a button to turn on and off a preview of your video feed. In the upper left corner is the red record button. This turns into the pause button when you are recording. In the middle is the square stop button, and at the end is the triangular replay button. This allows you to listen to the audio on the slide that is currently in focus in the window. Along the bottom of the window are some tools you can use to highlight and mark up your slides during the recording session. When you're ready to record, you can click the record button and navigate through your presentation using either the arrows in the record window or the arrows on your keyboard. You can see the time of each slide as well as the running time of the entire presentation in the lower left corner of the recording window. When you are done, hit the stop button to end the recording. To exit the recording window, click the X in the upper right corner, or you can simply press the escape key on your keyboard. When you return to the main PowerPoint window, you will notice speaker icons in each slide. These icons indicate that the slide contains audio narration. If you click on the speaker icon, you can see how long the narration is, as well as listen to the narration of the slide itself. If you need to correct or change the audio on an individual slide, you do not need to re-record the entire presentation. What you will need to do is make sure the slide you want to correct is selected. Then go back to the Slideshow tab and click on the Record Slideshow button. Make sure the slide that appears in the record window is the one you want to re-record. Then click Clear, Clear Recording on Current Slide, re-record the slide, press the Stop button, and exit out of the record window. Once you are done narrating your presentation, you'll want to make sure you save the presentation. You'll then need to convert the presentation to a video. To do this, you want to navigate to the File tab and then click Export, Create Video. It is your choice to leave the defaults at Full HD or change it to HD. The first option will create a larger file that will take longer to upload into YouTube. When you are ready, click Create Video and select the name of your video as well as where you want to save it. As the video is being created, you will be able to track its progress in the bottom center part of your PowerPoint window. How long it takes to create the video is dependent upon the length of your narration and how powerful your computer is. I want to leave you with a couple of recording tips. First, write a script or at least an outline so that you can keep your presentations concise. Going down rabbit trails in the classroom can be fun and even educational, but in an online presentation, it usually does not work well. Second, keep your presentations short. We recommend between 7 and 10 minutes each. If you have a lot of information, break it up into bite-sized pieces and use the playlist in YouTube to feed it to your students. Third, record a couple of slides and then listen to them to make sure your mic levels are good. Finally, pause at the end of each slide before moving on to the next slide so your narration does not get cut off.